Hi guys, welcome to a day in my life. Alright, I'm gonna stop fiddling, but so today guys I'm taking you with me to my booking. So welcome to a day in the life of a makeup artist in the UK. Today's time management has been so bad. As you can see, I'm rushing out of the house. I've rushed out. But yeah, my booking today is within the area. God, I'm so hot. I'm hot, guys. Sorry, I'm just putting the postcode in so I can get on the road. Okay. Gosh, guys, it's so. I'm so hot. Hot. Okay, so hopefully, yeesh, there's traffic. Oh my gosh. There's traffic, guys. But anyways, you should reach your destination. Come with me to my booking. Come with me to my booking. Okay, so guys, let's go to my booking. I'm gonna take this down because it's not steady, as you can see, it's shaking. So the next place you see me is at my booking. Okay, keep watching. So God being so good, I actually arrived at my booking on time. Yay, thank you, Jesus. So this is the whole and more or less like it was a whole booking. So I was doing all of the makeup and the at the hall, so at the location of the party. And this is the makeup I did. She wanted very minimal makeup. Actually not too big but still nice. I was like, give us an outfit 360. Give us a 360 outfit check. But yeah, that's the makeup and Gele I did. And yeah, look at my babes. Oh yeah, guys. And then whilst I was waiting, or whilst I did that before she danced in, I had to just quickly get my face done. I had to do my makeup real quick because I'm not getting caught sleeping this year. I told you guys, not getting caught sleeping.
Hi, I'm Liz Point 2.0. What do you want me to say? Hi, where's all the bloopers? Bloop. Action. Take 2. Hi guys, I'm Esther Royalty. Nice to meet you.
Did the song ministry.
Yeah, I tried to sing. Get me? Book me. Esro, official _ Esro1. Yeah. And that's my phone.
She's an amazing singer.
Book me. I like to dance.
I don't know about dancing. Singing and the
School things. Yeah, all of that.
Operate stick to that one.
Sugar Daddy applications coming in.
And now it was time for the celebrant to change because she had to dance in with her English outfit first. She had to use and do like a bit of church service in the hall. And now it's time for her to change into her native traditional wear. And this is me tying the Gele, guys. Just watching me tie it again. Well, not the full video. I'll put the full video up by itself because if I was to put it with this video, hey, Jesus, it will be super long. So I'm gonna upload a video of watching me tie the Celebrant Gele, or watch. Let's tie the Celebrant Gele together. How do you want to say it? Anyways, this was me tying her Gele, and this was the final look. She didn't want anything big. This Celebrant is super. When I say super simple, as you can see from her makeup, natural. She doesn't want anything too big, but she wanted it to look nice. So small, not small, but just moderate and elegant in that way. Okay. At this point, I think she was trying to say it was either too tight or we felt like it was going to come off. And I said to her, no, it's going to stay on night, trust me. Obviously, I'm not going to make it too tight because you're going to be dancing in and sitting. Like, you're in this outfit for the rest of the night. So I wasn't going to make it too tight. Neither was I going to make it too loose to fall off. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the Gele. If you want the tutorial video, let me know as well in the comments. And this is her dancing in with her family into the hall, guys. Enjoy. As you may already know, guys, if there's one thing about a Nigerian party, I don't know about other Africans, though, but for a Nigerian party or Nigerian events, there would always be a buffet, food for everyone, and unlimited food. Basically, that's how I'll put it. There's unlimited food for everyone, so everyone just choose what you want, and the amount you want, and you get served. So again, there was surplus food. I think there was jollof rice, fried rice, there was pounded yam, there was skis dodo, there was fish, yam porridge, moi moi. I think I said that. Chicken, meat, salad, fish, buburishi, and the list just goes on. Yeah, let me shop. Anyways, this is my meal that I had because I already had candies. So I was slightly already full. So my meal is not much. Plus, I'm not really a big eater. Mr. Bombastic, to the bombastic. When the music roll. Mr. Bombastic, to the bombastic. Let me Mr. Roll. Mr. Bombastic, to the bombastic. Roll. Guys, I'm tired. This is why I'm doing rubbish because I'm tired. Anyways, that was my booking for the day. Yeah, I'm home now. I've been home quite a while. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. We're not kind of like I was on the phone. Now, I've folded some of the laundry and now I'm tired. Too tired. Oh dear. Yeah. Not too much. Um. Oh yeah. So I've been home for a while. I've done the laundry. I didn't really do the laundry. I just did some folding up. And then I need to put it away. I need to put that away, and now I just want to take my makeup off if I actually get tired, because I'm starting slightly, not slightly, I am getting tired now. I'm getting real tired, so makeup needs to come off. Mm. Need to wash our face because that was to have a fresh face for the night. So I start off with my wife's because I believe the makeup needs to come off first. The wipes. Oh, that like clearly, chemical needs to keep if I'm gonna come in with my foam, tea tree foam facial wash, like for cleansing and all healthy skin and dirt. I said apply a wet face, but really and truly the wipes kind of wet my face. So, oh gosh, guys, it's not easy to be a woman. Look, wear makeup, take makeup off, wash your face, skincare, all of that, and then woman will come and tell you it's easy to be a woman. Hey, Jesus! If you don't take your makeup off, you will not have healthy skin. You take your makeup off, you are reducing at least to 20 to 30 minutes, obviously, time, because you have to take makeup off. Even to put it on the coffee, put it on. Okay. I don't apply makeup to my neck, but for some reason, I feel like makeup transfers. So when I'm washing my face, I wash my face, blood my neck, blood my ears, and at the back of my ears. Because again, these things be going to places that they're not needed. Because who sent you to the ears? Who sent you to the neck? Nobody. No, you just want to be doing transformation. You want to be doing transportation of the body from one section to another. Who sent you? What? Who sent you? Okay. Wow. Water has gone down my everywhere. Mr. Bombastic, gentleman, coffee, and Mr. Roll. Ah. Okay, that's that. Cannot wait for the face to dry because wash your face. I need to no wait for the face to dry. Use my face towel to dry my face. Then I'll use mascara, so I'm trying to make sure the mascara is off my lashes. Okay, that's off. Okay. And I take this bad boy off. And I need to wash them. Take those bad boys off. Dry my hands. Now, going in with some aloe vera gel. Guys, look at this eczema progress right there. Why? Why? And it hurts as well. Don't know why and who sent it to me there, but it's there. Oh yeah. Not me doing all of this and forgetting that the mic is attached to myself. Okay, that's that. Gonna change to my 90s now. Back, changed 90s. I would say ready. I'm ready for bed, but I am not going to bed just yet because there's a million things to do. There's always a million things to do as a mom, business owner, a working mom, a this, a that, a homemaker. There's always a million things to do. So before I go to bed, I'm gonna do one or two things. So I folded, like I said earlier on, I folded the laundry. Just God give me the strength to put it away. I need to put that away. Now the question is not even a decision. The question is, do I want to do the ironing tonight? Or do I want to just chill? We're gonna find out. But yeah, let me bring you guys. So this is the part of ironing that needs to be done. Pretty much no man's school uniform and all of that. This is what I need to put away. And yeah, looking at it now through the video, it doesn't look much. So let me not use my lazy self and drag this yet another day to do. So let me do this now. So yeah, guys, that's the end of today's day with me. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. For now, guys, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe!